multifunctional dish rack for kitchen counter, stainless steel. Large capacity, dish drainer with drain board, utensil holder, cup holder for dishes, knives, spoons, forks, black product information material, stainless steel product dimensions, 12.8 D, 16.7, 13H brand Lion color black recommended uses for product dish drainer. Mounting type countertop, mount item weight, 3.3 pounds weight limit, 80 pounds special feature adjustable, rust resistant manufacturer. Lion & Lee, UPC 610625460-280, item weight 3.3 pounds ASIN. Bureau BJDAR FQest, item model number LSJ2, customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars, 2,879 ratings, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Best sellers rank number 1557 in kitchen ears dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. Number 27 in dish racks. Batteries required, no.
Rack, space-saving, durable, rust-proof, large, two-tier stainless steel dish racks for kitchen counter with cutlery, cup holder, drain board product information material stainless steel, metal product dimensions 17D, 13W, 13H brand, DMTX CRP color, 2 black, recommended uses for product dishware mounting type countertop, mount special feature space-saving manufacturer DMTX CRP item weight, 4.71 pounds. ASIN Bureau Seeds TZ8Z3 item model number SMGDDR customer reviews 4.5 out of 5 stars 125 ratings 4.5 out of 5 stars best sellers rank number 18299 in kitchen dining see top 100 in kitchen cheese dining number 208 in dish racks date first available September 12, 2023.
Over the sink dish drying rack product information material stainless steel product dimensions 12 D 35 W 21H brand, ADBU color black. Recommended uses for product dish drying, kitchen, storage mounting, type countertop. Mount weight limit 100 pounds, special feature slip resistant, space saving, automatic drainage, expandable dimensions, removable cutlery basket manufacturer, ADBIU UPC 7687826-550. Item weight 715 pounds, ASIN. BO9288116 C7 customer reviews 4.5 out of 5 stars 8377 ratings 4.5 out of 5 stars best sellers rank number 816 in kitchen or dining see top 100 in kitchen and dining number 10 in dish racks assembly required yes batteries required no.
Kitchen dish drying rack presents a practical solution for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen organization while ensuring that dishes are dried efficiently. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this rack combines durability and elegance, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen decor. With dimensions of 15.6 inches in depth, 12 inches in width, and 4.9 inches in height, it offers ample space for drying various types of dinnerware without taking up excessive counter space. Weighing just 3 pounds, the kitchen dish drying rack is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to move as needed, whether you're setting it up on a sink or a tabletop. Its black color provides a modern aesthetic that seamlessly fits into any environment. Rated 4.5 out.
Large capacity, full-size, rust-resistant dish rack, angled drain board and removable flatware caddy. Light gray product information material, stainless steel product dimensions, 14.96 D20. 7H brand KitchenAid color. Gray recommended uses for product kitchen mounting. Type sink, tabletop weight limit 25 pounds, special feature. Adjustable manufacturer Lifetime Brands Inc. UPC 0241313929995. Global trade identification number Zelozin 241313929995. Item weight 6.39 pounds ASIN BO78 JXF BDP country of origin China. Item model number KNSA 96BXGRA customer reviews 4.6 out of 5 stars 22.8 ratings 4.6 out of 5 stars. Best sellers ranked number 507 in kitchen dining. See top 100 in kitchen or dining. Number 4 in dish racks is discontinued by manufacturer. No date first available December 26, 2023.